Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my hair. I'm going to be doing like a no hot iron thing on my hair. I don't want to like put any hot heat on my hair today, so I want to just do that in this video. So I just want to give it like a little pixie cut in the front and probably just, you know, lay it down. A messy type of look, no hot comb, no nothing, just working with my hands, and that's just something I'm gonna do today. And then do my makeup. So if you guys want to stick around, make sure you guys go ahead and keep on watching. Also give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think about these type of videos, but also turn you guys notification. That lets me know that you guys won't miss another video that I post. So let's get into this video. I really like to wet my hair. This is the mousse that I like to use. This is the Even New York foaming lotion. I know that you guys hear this all the time, and this is one of my favorite lotions to use. And I'm just gonna be just putting this in my hair and just laying my hair all down. I don't even think it's time for me to like I don't think that it's time for me to cut my hair because it's been cut. It's been like 5 weeks now. I'm gonna give it like 3 more weeks and then I'm gonna cut it myself. So that's just something that I am going to do, and I'm gonna show you guys how I cut it. I was really afraid to like cut it online, so I never did it like that. So I was just like, you know, I'm just gonna not cut it online. So that's just what I was doing with that. I was like literally afraid to cut my hair online, you know. So I just went on and did it offline. It's almost growing back, as you guys can see. It is like on my ear. So this is like a do where I will go to the grocery store, and if I really don't want to do much to my hair, I could just do a little slick back, or I can do so this hairstyle is like for if I'm trying to just hurry up and go to the store or something, I can just have it like in a slick do or something like that. That's just something I was going for on this hair. I would really just probably throw me some waves on the side and then just wear it just like this. And I mean, it's better to just have it flat. I mean, I don't know. I just kind of think that this is more easier. You know, it's better to not go to the hair salon and get your hair done and spend money. It's more easier to just do it at home, cut it, style it at home. But I'd be scared to cut my hair. I don't know why. And I'm not a beautician, but I try. So it's more easier for me to work with, especially if I'm like doing things around the house and I just want to just throw makeup on or just like do things around the house. This is just the hairstyle for me. It's more easier, and I just like to like keep this wet so that it can lay down very good. I really want to cut this because is like on my ear. But I'm gonna hide this because I'm not gonna cut it just yet. It's not that bad. So I'm gonna be using these black strips on my hair. You can get any type of strips from the store, but I like to use the black ones. I'm gonna go ahead and just wrap my hair and then just style it up. So I'll probably just use 4 of these, and I'm just gonna wrap this and lay it flat. And then that's about it. So I'm gonna let this sit for about 15 minutes. Depends on how long, my hair dries. So I'm gonna let this sit and then, style it up for you guys, show you guys the finished result of me not using a hot comb. This was an easy hairstyle to do if I'm just going out to the store and making runs, especially like if I'm, in a busy environment at the moment. I'll just slick it down, especially if I'm just, doing mommy duties or, something like that. I'll just do this hairstyle. It's more easier. And if I want to cut it, I'll do that. But today I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to sit on the dry. Okay, so it's dry now. I really want some like in my bangs, like going in the front, but I don't know because they're getting long, so I don't know, we'll see. So I'm using my rake comb and I'm just gonna lay my hair flat so I can see how I want to do my hair. If I just want to work it on one side, but I kind of think that just a wider comb will work. So I like to just play with my hair just so I can see which way I want to do my hair. So I'm going to, but I kind of just like it like this, like in front of my face, and just leaving it like this. If I had like full bangs or something, I'll just, like thicker bangs in the front. I just kind of feel like you can just play with this a little bit just to get it to your style. If you don't want to spend money and just, get your hair done, I kind of just feel like you just lay it down completely flat, let it relax, let your hair, get a relaxer or something. But if you don't want to do that, it's not going to stay down. So it's better for you to like get a relaxer or something to let your hair stay down. But Me personally, I had to get a relaxer because my hair was so thick and it was just not laying down how I wanted it to be. So I had to get a relaxer. And this is how I wanted it to be, like if I wanted to go and wear my hair without a perm. So without a perm, then this is how it would be. This is how I do my, no hot comb on my hair. And this is a completely easy, hairstyle to do if you just wanna just not put any hot combs on your hair, and just continue to wrap it, lay it down, and that's it. I was gonna wrap it all the way around in a circle, but I'm like, no. I'll just wear my port over here because this is more different. I usually just wear my port over to my right side and then just, let it flirt, but I'm happy with the result. It's cute. It just kind of looked like I flutter in my hair, but it's a wrap. But let me know what you guys think.